How to set nickname in Instagram chat. Start by launching the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in the app, head over to your messages or inbox. It's that little message icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now, pick the person you want to set a nickname for. Just tap on their chat to open it up. Tap on their name at the top. Tap on Options. Here's the thing, Instagram doesn't have a direct option to change nicknames like other apps do, but we've got a workaround. Go back to your home screen and tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you see Help and tap on it. Now, select Report a Problem from the options. Tap on Report Problem without shaking. Now, select Don't Include and continue. In the text box, explain that you want to change a nickname in your Instagram chat. Hit Send, and you're done. Now it's up to Instagram to maybe add that feature in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make your Instagram chats even more personalized. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more handy tips and tricks. See you next time.